wanted to know everything about everything. That's
you! Yay! Dance ikaw, dali! Dance! Lance, dance ka, dali! Dance, dance, dance!
Welcome to Sig Chat with me and my friends.
Hey?
Today we're talking about animals that live in our backyards. And today's special guest is Gabriella!
Yay!
Gabriella has seen animals living in the backyard at her grandpa's house.
That's right. In my grandpa's backyard, he has a little pond with lots of lily pads. Oh, I love it. Me too. One day, I asked if I could pick some of the lily pads.
Oh, that's a great idea!
That's what I thought too. But Grandpa told me that if I took out 2 lily pads, the water...
Ah, madilim na dito. Halika na, dali. We're looking for you. Dali, dali, dali. Ready? Get set, go, 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 go! Go, 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 go!
That's what I asked too. And my grandpa said that without fish
Dance ikaw.
and frogs to eat the mosquitoes, we'd have lots of mosquitoes because they really like water.
Yeah. Ahem.
I agree. So, I didn't pick the lily pads. Taking out the lily pads can make the whole pond yucky.
Yeah, and that means the little frogs and fish won't have a home.
No.
Class, we're going on a field trip to a science center.
Yay!
Wow, we're going to a science
Dance, halika, dali.
Susie, let's go!
Dali, let's go! Let's go!
We'd like to explore the science center.
We want to explore where animals live.
Yeah.
Lots of animals live in my grandpa's pond.
Yeah, and this morning, my dad was going to get rid of a stump in our
Let's
yard.
go!
I found a spider and roly-polies living on the stump.
How exciting! It sounds like that stump's part of your backyard habitat. Habitat. It's sort of like an animal neighborhood where different animals live, find food, and make their homes.
Ano yan? Basahan.
My backyard where I run around and play soccer is, habitat.
It sure is. You know, the Science Center's a great place to explore and learn about habitats. So everybody line up and get on the bus. Yeah!
Dance ikaw, dance! Dance! Dance!
Here we go!
Field trip!
Move your feet, field trip.
Dance ikaw, dali!
On the bus and take a seat.
Field trip! Dance ikaw, dance, dance, dance!
Field trip. Come on, let's go. We've got a lot to learn today.
Hey, you're a scientist. You can go to a science center, too.
Dance ikaw, Lance, dali!